Across the globe, three forces are reshaping the trajectory of the nations: economic realignments, technological disruptions, and climate uncertainty. These days, supply chains are redrawn. AI is redefining productivity, and the governments everywhere are reimagining the architecture of the public infrastructure. In this moment of transition, every economy is asking one question: where will be the next decade of growth comes from? India stands at the center of that answer. Very young, stable, and rapidly digitizing. But national and the potential power comes only when states can convert scale into strategy and aspirations into execution. That is why this summit matters. Today, the world is looking for a launchpad. India is looking for a catalyst. And Telangana is prepared to be both as a launchpad and also as a catalyst. In this age of uncertainty, Telangana offers what world values the most: clarity, capability, and the confidence in the future.